Hi dear students, welcome to our maths class. Today we discuss about volume, your fourth chapter. Your chapter name volume. Volume, length into breadth into height. Volume equation, calculation of volume, length into breadth into height. The aims at arriving the concept of volume by using measurements of length, breadth, height. The aims at arriving the concept of measuring by using length, breadth, height. Volume, length, breadth, height. Length into breadth into height. The volume of rectangular block is the product of length, breadth, height. Okay. The volume of, write down the volume of the rectangular block is the product of length, breadth and height. The volume of the rectangular block is the product of length, breadth, height. How can we find volume? Rectangular block is the product of length into breadth into height, then we get volume. Okay. Do you understood? How can we find volume? Length into breadth into height. Listen. Activity first. The length, breadth, height. Height of bricks are 21 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 1. What is its volume? The length, breadth, height of bricks are 21 centimeter length and breadth is 50 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. How can we find calculation of volume? Length into breadth into height. Volume is L is the length and breadth, and L is the representation of length and B breadth and height. L into B into H. Length, breadth, height. Length 21 centimeter, breadth 50 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. (21 into 15) length into breadth. multiply this number balance 3. Volume is 2205 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Volume calculation of cubic centimeter. Activity first, the length, breadth, height of bricks are 21 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 17 centimeter. What is its volume? Volume, length 21 centimeter, breadth 50 centimeter, height 7 centimeter. Length into breadth, multiply this number 315 and multiply this number 7 to 1205 is cubic centimeter. Volume calculation of the cubic centimeter 2205. Write down in your notebook. Got it? Any doubt? May I clean the board? Next activity. Activity second. Activity 2, a wooden block length 9 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter has a volume 180 cubic centimeter. What is its height? What is its height? A wooden block length 9 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter, has volume is 180 cubic centimeter. What is its height? Volume is 180 cubic centimeter. Length 9 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. Height length into breadth. Length into breadth 9 into 4 36. Volume is 180 divided by 36. How many times 36 in 180? 5 times. 36, 5 into 36 is 180. Height is 5 centimeter. Yes, once more repeat. All of you listen. A wooden block length 9 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter as volume is 180 cubic centimeter, 180 cubic centimeter. What is its height? Volume 180 cubic centimeter and length 9 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. Height, how can we find height? Length into breadth 4 into 9, length 9 and breadth 4, 4 into 9 is 36, 36. 180 divided, 180 is the volume divided by length into breadth, 36 divided by 5, how many times? In 5 times 36, in 5 times in 180, and height is 5 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. Okay, write down in your notebook. May I clean the board? Area and necessary heading, area and volume, area and volume. How can we find area? Length into breadth, volume length into breadth into height. Rectangle length, a rectangle length 8 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter, height 1 centimeter. What is its area? What is its area? How can we find area? Length into breadth. Okay, length, area, L into breadth, length into breadth. Okay, length 8, breadth 2, area okay. Rectangle length 8 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter, height 1 centimeter. What is its area? What is its area? Area calculation. How can we find area? Length into breadth. Length 8 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 2, 16. Area is 16 square centimeter. Area is 16 square centimeter. Next. About the volume? What about the volume of rectangle? Length 8 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter, and height 1 centimeter. Volume length 8 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter, height 1 centimeter. volume is volume 8 into 2 into 1. 8 into 8 means the length, breadth 2 and height 1. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 1, 16. 16 cubic centimeter. 16 cubic centimeter. Area is square centimeter. 16 square centimeter area and volume 16 cubic centimeter. Okay, write down. Listen to the chart. Volume calculation. Volume calculation, see this rectangular block, 5 centimeter length, breadth 3 centimeter and height 1 centimeter. Volume calculation, length into breadth into height. Length 5 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter and height 1 centimeter. Volume is 15 cubic centimeter. 15 cubic centimeter. Volume calculation, length into breadth into height. Length 5 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter and height 1 centimeter. Length into breadth 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 1, 15 cubic centimeter. And next, for we must find how many cubes of side in 1 centimeter we needed to make it. 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So, this volume is 15 cubic centimeter. What is its block? 15 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. This can be made by stacking over another 2 blocks in first block is 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter. And another block is 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Total is 30 cubic centimeter of this block. And next, this is the volume of the block in 30 cubic centimeter. Yes, the cubic 13 cubic centimeter. 2 blocks volume is 30 cubic centimeter. And look like the calculate the volume of each of the rectangular blocks shown the below and write it beside each. 7 centimeter, 2 centimeter height and breadth is 4 centimeter. And next another cubical blocks are 6 centimeter length, 3 centimeter height and 3 centimeter breadth. 6 into 3 into 3. Volume calculation is the length into breadth into height. Okay, next 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. It is a square. All sides are equal. Length 5 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. To calculate the volume. And next activity second. A truck is loaded with sand 4 meter long, 2 meter wide and 1 meter high. A truck is loaded with the sand 2 meter long, 2 meter wide and 1 meter high. The price of 1 cubic meter of sand is 1000 rupees. What is the price of this truck loaded? Volume of the truck loaded with the sand 4 into 4 is the long, 4 into 2 meter wide, wide is the breadth, 2 into 1 is 8 cubic meter, 8 cubic meter. Price of 1 cubic meter of sand is 1000 rupees. The price of 8 cubic meter is 1000 into 8, 8000 rupees. 1000 into 8, 8000 rupees. Next question, question number 2. What is the volume of piece of wood which 4 meters long, 1/2 meter wide and 25 centimeter high? The price of 1 cubic meter of wood is 60,000 rupees. What is the price of this piece of wood? What is the volume of a piece of wood which is 4 meter long, 1 by 2 meter wide and 25 centimeter high. The price of 1 cubic meter of wood is 60,000 rupees. What is the price of this piece of wood? Volume of piece of wood 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 cubic meter. Price of 1 cubic meter of wood in 60,000 rupees. Price of 1 by 2 cubic meter of wood 1 by 2 into 60,000. 1 by 2 into 60,000. 60,000 1 by 2 is the half, 30 rupees. 30 rupees. Okay. What is the volume in cubic meter of a platform 6 meter long, 1 meter wide and 50 centimeter high? And find the volume. What is the volume of cubic meters of platform? What is the volume of cubic meter of platform? 6 meter long. The platform length is the 6 meter long and 1 meter wide. 1 meter wide and 50 centimeter is high. Calculation of volume 6 into 1 into 50 centimeter. Then we get volume of platform. Next, write down in your notebook. Okay. Any doubt? Next, capacity. Next, side heading, write down capacity. Next, side heading, capacity. Capacity. Inner sides of cubical box. Inner sides are inner measuring. Volume of inner measuring. Capacity. Inner measuring of volume. Write down. The first activity. The inner sides of cubical boxes are length 4 centimeter. What is its capacity? What is its capacity? Question number 2, same question. How many cubes of side 2 centimeter can be sacked in it. Inner measuring. The volume of inner measuring, it is a cubical boxes. The inner sides of a cubical boxes are length 4 centimeter. What is its capacity? What is its capacity? Capacity the inner length of the inner cubical boxes are capacity. Boxes are capacity is inner sides of cubical boxes are length 4 centimeter. Length into breadth into height. Remember, to length into breadth into height 4 into 4 into 4. Capacity is 4 into 4 16. 60 into 4 66. 64 cubic centimeter. Total capacity, the inner cubical box capacity is length 4 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. Volume is length into breadth into height. Length 4 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. 4 into 4 are 16, 16 into 4 are 64 cubic centimeter. 64 cubic centimeter. And another question, how many cubes of side 2 centimeter can be stacked in it? How many cubes? 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 2 into 4, 8. Next activity 2. The inner sides of rectangular tanks are length 70 centimeter, length 70 centimeter, breadth 90 centimeter, height 80 centimeter. The inner sides of rectangular tank are length 70 centimeter, breadth 19 centimeter, height 80 centimeter. How many water will it contain? How many liter of water? How many liter of water will it contain? How many liter of water will it contain? The inner sides of rectangular tank are length 70 centimeter, breadth 90 centimeter and height 80 centimeter. How many liter of water will it contain? The capacity of water tank length 70 centimeter and breadth 90 centimeter and height 80 centimeter. Volume 70 centimeter, 90 centimeter and 80 centimeter is activity 2. The sides of rectangular tanks are length 50 centimeter, breadth 90 centimeter, height 80 centimeter. How many liters of water will it contain? Capacity of water tank 70 into 90 into 80, 5,40,000 cubic centimeter. And how many liters of water will it contain? 5,40,000 40,000 divided by 1000. 504 liter. Sorry, 504 liter. How many liter of water will it contain? 504 liter. Listen to the chart. All of you listen to the chart. Activities: the inner length, breadth and height. Inner length, the capacity, the inner length, breadth and height of a tank are 80 centimeter and 60 centimeter and 50 centimeter, and it contain water 50 centimeter high. How much 50 centimeter high? How much more water is needed to fill it? Question, repeat. The inner length, breadth and height of tank are 80 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 50 centimeter. It contain water 50 centimeters high. How much more water is needed to fill it? Inner length of the tank is 80 centimeter, breadth 60 centimeter and height 50 centimeter. Capacity of the tank, the volume of tank. Length into breadth into height, 80 into 60 into 50. And capacity of water it contains in the tank, now 80 into 60 into 50, then we get volume. More water is needed to fill the tank, minus. Then first cubic centimeter to find the volume and second volume and minus. Then we get 16 lakh 18,000 cubic centimeter is divided into 1000 is 168 liter. A rectangular iron block has length 20 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. A rectangular iron block has length 20 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. It is melt and recast into the cube. What is the length of side of this cube? What is the length of the side of this cube? A tank 1/2 meter long. A tank, the long is the 1/2 meter long and 7 meter wide the breadth and 7 meter wide is to contain 10,000 liter. How high must be in the tank? The length of the tank 2 into 1/2 meter. The length of the tank is the 1/2 meter. Width of the tank or breadth of the tank is 1 meter. Capacity of the tank 10,000 divided by 1000 is the 10 liter. 10,000 is the capacity of the tank is 10,000. 10,000 divided by 1000, then we get 10 liter. Length and breadth and height 1/2 and 1/2 into 1 into height is the 10. 5/2 into 10, then so that the height is 10 into 2 is 4 meter. Okay. Today's class is over. All students, you should read and study. Okay. Bye.